Have you ever tried to copy math equations from Gemini to Word, only to find that the formatting breaks? In this video, I'll show you 2 simple ways to solve that problem. Here, Gemini has generated an explanation containing a complex mathematical equation. Normally, you might select the entire response, copy it, and paste it directly into Word. The regular text may look fine, but mathematical expressions often appear as code, plain text, or incorrectly formatted symbols. So, let's try the first method. Open the Chrome Web Store and search for a Gemini Exporter. In this example, I'm using an extension called Chat Exporter. You can access the extension link in the video description below. Click Add to Chrome to install it. Once the extension is installed, return to your Gemini conversation and reload it. Now you will see the export to Word icons in the upper right corner of the Gemini screen. And here, simply select Export to Word, and the tool will automatically convert it to Word. Now, open the exported file in Word. As you can see, this method transfers the text and equations much more quickly than copying everything manually. But what if you only need one equation, or you want the equation to remain fully editable? For that, we can use Word's built-in equation editor. Go back to Gemini and ask it to convert the formulas into Word-compatible LaTeX. For example, you can type, "Convert all formulas to Word-compatible LaTeX." Gemini will return the formulas in a linear LaTeX format. Find the equation you need, and copy only the equation code. You don't need to copy the quotation marks, explanations, or code block symbols. Next, open Microsoft Word and place your cursor where you want the equation to appear. Press Alt plus equals on your keyboard. This immediately opens a new equation box. Now, paste the LaTeX code inside that equation box. At first, it may appear as a single line of text. That's completely normal. With the equation selected, open the Equation tab and convert it to professional format. Word will automatically turn the linear code into a properly formatted equation. And now the equation is fully editable. You can change individual values, symbols, fractions, or exponents directly inside Microsoft Word. Next, watch this video to learn how to copy equations from Claude AI to Microsoft Word without losing the format.